Last week at the library, I sat with a guy, let's call him Dave, 52 years old, 20 years of experience. And he was terrified. He said, I feel like the world has moved on and I don't know how to catch up. If you felt that panic, that technology is pushing you out, you are not alone. But here is the truth. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to be the assistant you haven't had in 15 years. In this video, I'm sharing the exact AI setup I use with Claude. Whether you want to land a better corporate role or finally launch that business or passion project you've been dreaming of. And stick around for the second half. I'm going to share the controversial roast prompt. That saved me 6 months of wasted work on a bad idea. You need to see this. First, a quick reframe. In your 20s, you hustle. In your 40s and 50s, you have wisdom. The only problem is speed. That's all AI is. It's speed. When I left corporate to start the Rebuild Blueprint, I didn't have a team. I had anxiety and a laptop. But I realized if I treat Claude like a junior intern, I can do the work of 3 people. Question for you. Are you looking to get back into a job or build something of your own? Put job or business in the comments right now. I'd love to know who is here with us. Okay, for my job people, stop sending generic CVs into the black hole. It's not working. Step 1, the translation layer. Don't ask Claude to write a CV. It sounds like a robot. Try this instead. Paste your old CV in the job description, then use this specific prompt. Rewrite my summary to bridge the gap between my past experience and this new role. Professional tone, no buzzwords. See the difference? It speaks their language. Step 2, the interview prep partner. Before an interview, paste the company's About Us page into Claude. Ask, what are the top 3 strategic challenges this company is facing right now? Imagine walking into an interview proposing solutions, not just asking for work. That is how a senior professional wins. If that tip just sparked an idea for you, do me a huge favor. Hit the subscribe button right now. We are building a community of professionals who refuse to be obsolete, and I'd love to have you with us. Now, for the business people in the comments, maybe you want to leave the 9-5 entirely, but starting is scary. Here is the roast prompt I promised you at the start. Step 1, the brutal truth. I literally told Claude, here are 3 business ideas I have. Act like a skeptical investor, roast them, tell me why they will fail. It's brutal to read, but it's better to have an AI hurt your feelings for free than to lose your savings on a bad idea. Step 2, the content engine. Once you pick the right idea, you need visibility. I use Claude to take one thought from my morning walk and turn it into a LinkedIn post and a script for this channel. Whether you are looking for a paycheck or a purpose, the tool is the same. It's about confidence. When I help people at the library, the moment they realize they can master this, their posture changes. They stop feeling invisible. Now, I shared a few prompts today, but if you want the complete system, the exact copy-paste templates, I've packaged it all up into a Rebuild Toolkit. It's a free guide to save you dozens of hours of staring at a blank screen. You can grab your copy right now using the link below in the description. And look, rebuilding is messy. If you want a group of professionals walking this path together, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That is how we grow this community and figure out the second half of life on our own terms. Let's build with accountability.